and welcome back to the African Kids channel. In this episode, David teaches us about plants and farm animals. Enjoy!
Yeah. Hey kids! Hey Rassie Erasmus, how you doing my friend? I'm good thanks my friend. Yes, I will, and good luck with your 100th test against the All Blacks. Alright, cool, my friend. We'll chat later. Bye. Hey, Rassie Erasmus just asked that all you viewers subscribe to the African Kids channel as he's a great fan of this channel. Go, Boks! Woohoo! Hey, kids, today we're going to learn about plants and farm animals. Come, let's go! What do we have here? It's a green bike. Let's spell green together. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Come, let's go! Hey kids, what kind of a large plant is this? It's called a delicious monster. Why do you think they call it a delicious monster? Well, it's because it produces a tasty sweet fruit called a banana pineapple. Whoa! What do we have here? A sheep. I think he's looking for a banana pineapple to eat. Did you know that a sheep's fur is turned into wool that they use to create the clothes that we wear? Like this shirt that I'm wearing? Woohoo! You're coming along for the ride, sheep. Come, let's go! Pass in the construction vehicle. Oh, look at the sloth on a lawnmower. But he's very slow. He can never ever catch me. Woohoo! Hey! And what do we have here? This is a yellow, white rake. And what is a rake used for? Well, a rake is used to rake the leaves that have fallen from the trees in your backyard. Yay! Oh, look at this beautiful flower. It's called an Arum-lily, and in Afrikaans, it's called a varkoor, which when directly translated into English means a pig's ear. Why do you think they call it a pig's ear? Because it looks like a pig's ear. Hey, look at this pig. What is he doing here? I think he's looking for some mud to play in. Because pigs love to play dirty, just like I love to play dirty. Let's pig out of here! Right, let's park here by this yellow ball. Ah, yeah! This plant is called a Clivia plant, and its colors range from orange to yellow, and it grows all year round because it's a very tough plant. What's that? What is that? Oh, a cow! Look at this cow! Cows produce the milk that's used in dairy products like ice cream, cheese, and yogurt. Milk is good for your teeth and your bones. Mr. Moo, let's moo out of here! I just cannot resist playing with my toys. Oh no! But I have to go. I'll be back for them. Hello, golf clubs. Hello, rugby balls. Hello, red bicycle. This is a baby milkwood tree, and it grows into a very big tree. Now, Donkey will give us a fun fact about this baby milkwood tree. Woohoo!
Do you know why it's called a milkwood tree? It's because the sap of the tree looks like milk. I hope you enjoyed the fun fact of the day. Parents, please subscribe. It's for free. We love you. Kids, stay safe. And over to David. Bye!
Hey horse, stop horsing around. Kids, did you know that horses sleep while they standing? Imagine that, that's crazy. Now let's spell horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Hey horse, let's get out of here. And finally, we have the elephant bush, also known as the Spekboom in Afrikaans. This is a very important plant because it helps in the fight against air pollution and carbon in the atmosphere that causes global warming. What do we have here? A doggy hiding under the Spekboom. He just loves the clean atmosphere that's around this elephant bush. And that's all we have for today. So kids, please ask your parents to like, share, and subscribe to the African Kids channel. Until next time, bye!